Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel and I hope you all are safe and good. So I am back with some new resource and this time I have some useful GitHub repositories related to blockchain. So if you are willing to learn blockchain starting from any level, like if you are a noob, just starting in the journey of blockchain, or you are intermediate or you are into pro, just willing to brush up things. So these repositories will help you out in some way. So starting out from the very beginning, so very first GitHub repository is smart contract kit slash full blockchain solidity course. Yes, so it's a learn blockchain solidity and full stack Web3 development with JavaScript. So if you're familiar with JavaScript previously, then willing to deep dive into the field of Web3 and blockchain, then it is for you. So these all of the things. This is the instructor. They have this YouTube video, so you can watch the YouTube video or follow this GitHub repository. Anything you prefer. Then these are the resources. What are the questions? Table of contents. They have lessons, total 18 lessons, and each lesson they have described what they will be teaching. Okay, blockchain basics. Then other stuff like introduction to gas to what is gas. Then welcome to remix, then basic solidity terms and conditions, what how to write code in solidity, right? Then Ruby storage factory, all those important stuff that are related that to learn to get into the field of blockchain, right? So all the important stuff they have like added. So just follow these things, and at the end of the day you have to spend time whatever I am sharing. So just follow this video, spend time on this GitHub repositories, whatever I am sharing, and just boom your journey, get in the journey of blockchain, and yeah, earn some good money, right? So that ether.js, right? All those things, like starting from how to install to writing code, everything they have added. So it's not a big issue. Just you have to follow this tutorial, and you have to be patient. It will take time, right? But at the end of the day, you will learn very important things that will change your life, right? So this is the GitHub repo. This is a very big GitHub repo, so I'm not scrolling much, but yeah, you got the idea, right? So moving forward to the next GitHub repo. So this is smart contract. It's same GitHub repo, but this is for the Python people. So if you're not from JavaScript background but from Python background, then for you this is the GitHub repo. Similarly, the same instructor, but this time they have taught with Python. So things are a bit different, like things related to Python, right? So they have these things, how do blockchains work, welcome to remix again, but all those things are related to Python. So if you are into Python previously, then you can use this thing, right? Web3.py, right? In JavaScript, they have something like web3.js, I guess, but in Python, that is web3.py. It is a storage package, I guess. Then Brownie simple storage, Brownie fund me, all those things. Just spend some time, learn these things, and boom your career in the field of blockchain. That's what I will can suggest. Okay, Chainlink mix or this DeFi and Aave, all these things. Just spend some time and follow these tutorials really. They have added very structurally, so spend some time and yeah, thank me. Okay, moving forward to the next GitHub repo. That is I source says slash learn blockchain in 2 months. So uh, they have this is a code for learn blockchain in 2 months by Siraj Raval on YouTube. So they have this video of Siraj Raval on this video. So you can follow that video also, but the all of this code, whatever they have coded in this video, they have like posted here. So week one, week two, all these things, materials they have like added. So you can follow these things, resources with the video, original video, and you will learn a lot of things. So totally 8 week things they have listed, and you can follow like simultaneously with this GitHub repo and this blog, whatever the video it is, right? So that's this GitHub repo is all about. Moving forward to the next GitHub repo, that is protofire slash blockchain learning path. So a suggested learning path for blockchain development. So if you are just confused how to follow a structured learning path and deep dive into the in the field of blockchain, then you can follow the path they have added, like what to learn first, then how to follow simultaneously. So prerequisites, so these are the basic things you have to first learn. Then what is blockchain, what is Bitcoin, what is Ethereum, then some courses related to that, course concepts related to that, right? You have to keep in mind. Then best practices, libraries, Ethereum versus Bitcoin, Substat, right? What is toolbox, what is smart contract, all those things they have listed, like from the very basic, then one level up, then one level up, and it will make you a very good level of blockchain developer. So follow these things, very structured learning path. So I will suggest to follow this thing, right? Moving forward to the next GitHub repo, that is officer CR slash DeFi developer roadmap. So DeFi developer roadmap is a curated developer handbook which includes a list of best tools for dApps development. So if you are just specific into dApps development, then this GitHub repo is for you. They have this roadmap starting from again beginning to a very good level, where you can create dApps on your own. So these are the things, and they have this translation on different languages also there. So if you are not familiar with English, but if you are from these countries like French, Korean, Japanese, Italian, or speak some languages like Telugu, Gujarati, then Spanish, Chinese. So this whole GitHub repo is translated to these languages also. So you can follow these things also if you're not familiar with English, right? Then they have this whole map how you can follow these things from very basic to a very good intermediate level, and this is the like very structured way, right? Step one, what you have to learn, then step two, what you have to learn, then step three. Very structurally they have drawn it, and so you can follow these things. Then they have this link special note, what are the basics of Ethereum, like links related to Ethereum, EVM, then other useful stuffs, right, that are needed for you in the journey of blockchain, and directions, smart contract related stuff, resources to learning solidity. So you can follow this resources to learn solidity. Then what is tokens, general development skills, then the main thing dApps, how you can install Remix, then how you can write solidity on that, all those things, how you can make dApps on your own, right? Then practice, these are the projects you can make, small things you can make so that you can practice on your own, right? Then JK Snarks, all those things, right? Just follow these things, right? It's a long GitHub repo. I'm not covering everything because it will take a lot of time and the video will go longer. So that's about this GitHub repo. Moving forward to the next GitHub repo, that is I am banning slash awesome blockchain. So curated list of blockchain services and exchanges. So you can get the idea what this means. I'm not in the blockchain, so uh, I cannot explain very properly what they mean, but I can explore. So these are the platforms related to blockchains like Bitcoin, Ethereum, all like everyone knows nowadays. Then other things like to Monad, Waves, Intercoin, Chain, Factom, all those things. You can learn these things. These are platforms related to blockchain. Then exchanges, for exchanges purposes, they have these things like Xcoin, Coin Mama, all those things, right? So then related to specific countries like USA, Canada, Australia, India, China, Japan. Okay, and then payments, there are things for jobs where you can find jobs related to blockchain. They have these links, so you can follow these things. If you're well developed blockchain developer and looking for like job, you can follow these resources, right? Then services and projects related to blockchain. So if you're willing to make some projects related to that, you can follow these links. Okay, and then games, if some developer roadmap, blockchain developer roadmap. If you click, you can get the blockchain developer roadmap, right? So these are the things, useful resources for everyone, right? Just spend time and just hover around, play around, right? Whatever the link they have added, and you will get to learn a lot of new stuff. So, okay, moving forward to the next GitHub repo. So it is open blockchains slash awesome blockchains. Again, it's a collection about awesome blockchains, open distributed public databases. So these are the resources of some blockchains. So they have the link related to blockchain. Then I guess it's a book written by someone. You can write that also. Say frequently asked questions related to blockchain. Like if you are giving an interview in the blockchain and you are asked some already asked questions. So for that, you have to practice from the very beginning. Yeah, they have these address, what is hash. These are commonly asked questions in interviews, right? What is Merkle tree? What is merge slash DAG? All those things. Then for Python, they have these links for UV, for Crystal, for JavaScript, TypeScript, Java, Kotlin, SQL, all these things. They have these links specifically. Then talk notes to make you learn from the talks and get motivated. Then more things related to blockchain. Then some code. Okay, so blockchain from scratch, how to write blockchain from scratch, and this is the Ruby version. Okay, so you can follow these things, right? And then articles related to blockchain, books related to blockchain. So you just follow these things, spend some time, learn these things from whatever they have added, and just boom your career, right? Moving forward, so it is YJJNLS slash awesome blockchain again. Curated blockchain resources development application related to blockchain. So here also you can find some question related to blockchains and all the stuff. Okay, what is Bitcoin? Right, consortium blockchain, Hyperledger, all these things, high performance, all these things, implementation of blockchain, how it is done in different languages like Go, Crystal, C++, JavaScript, Python, all these things they have added. Then projects and application related to blockchain, you can do some of these projects so that your CV will be very much good, right? IOTA, iOS, IPFS. Okay, further extension, they have added these books also. You can learn about blockchain from these books and application where blockchains are using. So you can cover about these things and roadmaps. Then you can contribute to this GitHub repo also if you are know new things. Right, so very useful GitHub repo to follow these things, whatever I am sharing. Right. So moving forward to the next GitHub repo, Nambrod slash blockchain in JS. So again, if you are willing to be in the field of blockchain and you are from the JS background, then this is the GitHub repo you can follow, right? Build your own blockchain for starting from step one. What are the things you have to follow? So then, so what is the blockchain? They have added that they I have tried making you learn from the very basic, right? What do I mine? All those things, right? From the very basics, from the very small thing, what it means they have added, and you can learn from here. And it is really helpful if you are new and completely new to the field of blockchain. So it will really, really help you out, right? Moving forward to the next GitHub repo, that is blockchain cosmos common slash learning bitcoin from this common lens. So again a complete course for learning bitcoin. So it is particularly related to bitcoin. Okay, so These are the things they have these lessons, so you can follow these lessons systematically and learn about this Bitcoin. Okay, totally, I guess a lot of things they have added. So part one, part two, like preparing for Bitcoin using Bitcoin CLI. So how you can use Bitcoin CLI on a machine, then Bitcoin scripting, privacy things, programming with RPC, like use Lightning CLI, and all those things they have added. So just follow these links and learn about Bitcoin from this GitHub repo, right? Can even contribute also other questions related to Bitcoin, transition can credit, responsibility closure, reporting and vulnerability, all those things. Just read out. Okay, spend some time. I'm just get making you think, learn things like these things are there. So just make use of this whatever I am sharing, right? So moving forward to the next GitHub repo. So this is the GitHub repo named NoSQLDB/blockchain tutorial. So write and publish your own blockchain in less than 200 lines of Go. So if you're from Go background, then this GitHub repo will help you out. So under 200 lines, you can create your own blockchain. So they have this tutorial. Uh, Follow-up tutorials they have also added, and then development steps, whatever you have to do, all the things they have mentioned. So just focus, spend some time, and you will learn how to write, how to create your own blockchain under 200 lines in Go, right? Moving forward to the next GitHub repo, that is dbf/blockchain. So a simple blockchain in Python. Again, if you are from Python background, this GitHub repo again will help you out. So they have this book also. You can buy on Amazon also. They have this link. So learn blockchains by building one. So how you can build a blockchain from Python. They have this systematically, like what you have to do with code. They have like given every command like pip install. You have to download, install pipe in env, then pipe np install all the requirement they will be installing. Then you have to uh, like run docker and all those things to have the implementation of C sharp is also there. So I guess you have to know a bit of C sharp for it also, but no issues. Follow this tutorial, you will get to learn a lot of things. Okay, and it will build your own learning, right? How to create a blockchain in Python. Uh, so do follow this GitHub repo, right? Moving forward to the next GitHub repo, Bitcoin book/Bitcoin book. Again, mastering Bitcoin. So I guess I had one GitHub repo related to Bitcoin earlier, right? Again, this GitHub repo is related to Bitcoin, so you can master Bitcoin from this GitHub repo. Again, as the name suggests, only Bitcoin book, right? So mastering Bitcoin third edition, programming open plugin. So they have this book obviously, but if you don't prefer book, you can learn from this GitHub repo also, right? So they have these chapters systematically. To just follow this book, read this book online, or you can, it is the third edition, but you can buy the previous two editions also. Then what is related to PDF, then where you can find the third edition, like ebook and all those things. So these are the things they have added, but the main thing is do follow this chapter they have added, right? Systematically you will learn the whole book only. So you can master Bitcoin from this GitHub repo. I suggest you to do that, explore some time and learn Bitcoin, right? Moving forward to the next GitHub repo, CJ42 slash all about Solidity. So I guess again it is all about Solidity language. So if you're willing to learn Solidity language, this GitHub repo will really help you out. A series of tutorials that cover most of the core elements of the Solidity language, right? So these are the things. What are the things related to Solidity, basic things, areas, and all? What are the references? They have added some references we can refer to learn more about Solidity. So just follow this GitHub repo, right? So moving forward to the next GitHub repo, Manoj Pramesh / Solidity cheat sheet. So cheat sheet and best practices for Solidity. So you already learned Solidity, right? Now it is the some cheat sheets and best practices that are needed to make you learn while writing smart contracts in Solidity, right? So whatever the common mistakes people do, just they have added the best practices so that mistakes will be ignored, right? So develop contents, they have added all these things. Then version pragma, these are the things you have to mention. Then import files, types, whatever they have, you have to keep in mind. Then address and other things, red balance, call, delete call, all those things they have in authority. Then array, fixed byte arrays, dynamic byte arrays, struct, mapping, and control structures, function related to in authority, right? How to define function and what the things you have to keep in mind. Then all those things, right? Pure function contracts, how to do contracts and all, abstract contracts, then library events, all those things that are in Solidity and you have to keep in mind while writing Solidity. So all these things they are mentioned in a very open and structured way, so you can learn from here. And while you next write Solidity, just keep in mind these mistakes and write best practices, write good coding, right? Keeping in mind the best practices, right? So that is about the GitHub repo, and it is the last GitHub repo of this video. So that's all about this video. I hope you have got to learn a lot of uh, GitHub repos related to blockchain, and you just follow this whatever I have shared, and that is enough to learn blockchain if you are from the starter, very noob, like n- noob zone. I mean, very whatever I mean. You're just starting out, right? You're just starting out in the field of blockchain. So these GitHub repos will really help you out. And even if you're intermediate or into pro zone, right, you will get to learn a lot of things, new things. And also, like they have some GitHub repo. I got to know, like they have added some jobs portals also, so you can they go there also for jobs. And I guess every GitHub repo will make you learn new things, even if you're intermediate, right? So just follow these GitHub repos, spend some time, and just be the best version of yourself, and boom your career in the field of blockchain. That's what I will say, right? So that's all about this video. I hope you have liked. I will be back with some next video. Till then, have a great day. Bye.